Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect 4 pieces to the main chassis. And what they're for is to connect the legs, so they're like hinges or hip joints and shoulder joints. Alright, so let's get on to this. So what you want to do is, this thing here has the usual grooves required to fit in as such. Okay, and on a side note, I created my own holes here for the screws, and this allows these to stay in place a little bit better than they would if they didn't have those. Anyway, I digress, so let's get on to this. All you got to do is do that, and then find the little screws that come with the kit. Put them in there, and carefully just screw them in. Alright, so I'm not going to do this because this might take a long time. You'll do this in your own time, but what's important to note is that this and this one are for the shoulders, and this one pointing downwards will be for the hips. And the orientation is very important. This thing is moving in towards the other leg, and this is moving down that way. Okay, so with that in mind, again, there's another screw that you need to put in there. Once you have that together, it'll be quite easy to connect the leg on the inside as such. And so we'll do that and then see you in the next video.